So if any of you guys follow the shop's page on Instagram or any of our personal pages, you probably saw that Lilith got into a bit of an accident. She's tore up real good. We're not quite sure if we're going to be able to fix her up. It looks like part of the main frame is actually bent. And while this is bad news, depending on how this works out, I think the tentative plan right now is to maybe do a Daytona next, especially for some of the racing and things that we like to do. This is a huge loss. Anybody that's ever been interested in a factory 5 car has seen Lilith around. It was just such a big moment at SEMA when we released her. It was unlike any kit that anybody else had ever built through Factory 5. So if there's any chance of putting her back together, we're definitely going to do that. You know, we weren't screwing around, nothing like that. Just an unfortunate chain of events put her into this state. I'll put some video of her just sitting there on the side of the road with all these thousands of people. I think that was the worst part, just all these people coming by and then seeing the car. We had a couple friends of ours stop and help out. And then we got probably 30 phone calls from people that were just driving by and recognized the car and wanted to know what happened. The good thing is everybody's okay.
You called and he had you on the speaker, and I was expecting there to be like a, oh, just kidding, guys, we made it fine, just so you know. And then you never did. Yeah.
It looks really bad, honestly. I think once we get some of that's torn off, we might be able to repair part of this, although some of the main frame, I know you can't see it, but it's pretty beat up right behind the radiator here. Anyway, thank you to everybody that reached out. We got tons of Facebook messages and Instagram messages making sure that we were okay, and condolences for the car. We definitely appreciate all of that.